Normally go for a 5K after that, a walk, not a run. I'm not crazy. But look who came home early. Yay.
We can still go on a walk.
It's fucking snowing.
I know, it's May and it's snowing.
This is the problem about Canada. It's, sorry, I just finished my workout. I feel like it's so rude to be vlogging and going like, like I literally don't understand the problem. It's May and it's snowing. The other day it was like 20 degrees here and now it's just fully snowing. Having a beer? What time is it? Wow.
It's 12 o'clock.
There's no rules in quarantine.
I got off work, so I'm just gonna have a beer. And right as I got home, we saw a FedEx driver pull up out front. So let's go have a look and see if my package got delivered. Because I
literally was like, Nick, you have to go change because he can't wear his work sweater on camera. Like he signed like an agreement that says that. So he just had to change his clothes. But now I'm sweaty. I need to shower. Okay, let's go see what you got.
Was delivered.
Okay.
For your risers. I know what that's
this became
a nod to.
This became an unboxing video. Okay, one sec, I just have to clean up the weights and then let's get this open.
Okay. Just before we left for Cambodia, I filmed a video for Landyachtz on this board called the Rectangle, and it was just a funny video. And one of the things I said in it was the board comes with free risers, so I think they're joking around saying that just as a nod to that video. Oh, sick. Okay. This takes me back to working in the warehouse. Right.
Oh, so you did get it?
Yeah. Nice, these wheels are quite big.
So you were right, that's why it was 17 pounds.
Yeah. Yeah, see, and they have the hollow kingpin trucks. That was why I wanted the new truck. And I think they're completely reworked. I think Nick Breton like reworked these trucks, so they're actually like, they're better probably than they were before. That one. I got a new street board for street skating, so that I can go to the skate parks when they open up again. And I mean, I can ride some street stuff around here. And I got these two, which are tech slide boards. So I'll be able to skate some hills and do a bit of tech sliding. Brush up on that. Haven't done that in a while. And I can do it all in a new t-shirt. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, I'm literally still in my workout stuff, so I have to, these are my mom's shoes. I was gonna watch this and be like, why do you just take all of my things? So this is basically the lowdown. I'm getting all like my notes and stuff because we're planning the day. It's a bit late, but you know. So Nick is going to work every day still. He's working like an essential service job. I don't know why I just started to do this. It's not this, he's working an essential job. So he's doing that every day, but like right now it's only 1 o'clock and he's already home, so that's sick. So I included this morning that like I journal every single morning. It's something that I do, like I have to do. If I don't do it, then my whole day is messed up. It's a new habit that I've developed, but I'm like super obsessed with it and I have to do it. So I basically start with like what I'm grateful for, and then I move on to my long-term goals. I write them down because I think that that's really important. And then after I write down my goals, I write down like a couple things that I'm gonna do today to reach them. So like yesterday was, Nick's naked with a beer. I hope I don't see you in that like mirror in the background. So like today I knew that it's my best friend's birthday, so I'm gonna have to call her at some point. And I mean, I already called her this morning, but we're gonna like do something fun on like house party later. And so I didn't like give myself a lot of things to do today. I just had to drink water and exercise and to make a couple of like Pinterest pins for a blog post that I published last night. And then yesterday we uploaded a video to YouTube, so that's like really like always like the biggest days is whenever we upload. Like later on house party, we'll like have some drinks and it'll be fun.
Yeah.
I normally try to like get everything done before Nick's home. Like all the things I need to do, like exercise, vlog or edit, like whatever I want to do, I try to get them done before he's home so we can just like spend time together. Oh yeah, we're gonna make dumplings today too.
Yeah.
So that's that. I got like this calendar online because we bought it for our van, like our ambulance that we bought, and I'm really excited to put it there. Like it's like, what's it called when there's like stickiness on the back of it? Like decal?
What do you mean?
Like on that
Like
calendar.
a vinyl?
Yeah.
A vinyl sticker?
Yeah, it's like a sticker, so we can only, yeah, we can't put it up in here, and like we're not planning on living here long term. So but we have it. I'm kind of thinking that we should like pin it on the wall so that we can actually like write down stuff on the calendar, because it's really nice. I'll show you guys. I got it for the ambulance. I thought that we were gonna be able to be working on that by now, but it is on the other side of the country. So I feel like if I put this on this wall, it's just this joy. That we can like write down stuff every single day about what we want to do for the day. That might be kind of like motivating / interesting. So yeah. We go out, go around the block, and then like get some fresh air at all. BC released their reopening plan, and it looks like things are just gonna open like on the 18th of May, which is crazy. But here in Ontario, it's like gonna be stages. I'm pretty sure in the first stage of reopening, skate parks are gonna be included, because it said like some public places.
I'll be there every single day after work.
Yeah.
Like unless we're filming a video, obviously.
Yeah.
If we're hanging out, but
Yeah.
every other day I'll be there for sure.
Yeah, so we're really like just hoping for that. But in terms of other things opening up, we don't really know how we feel about it. We actually had flights booked to Hawaii next week. I think our flights were supposed to leave next week to go to Hawaii. Yeah. And obviously that's not going to happen anymore. That's fine. It's not the end of the world. And then after Hawaii, like we were going to go back to BC at least, and like, I mean, at the very least get our ambulance. And now everything, like it is for many people, it's all just kind of up in the air. Just trying to get outside at least once a day is like the bare minimum that we can do. I guess it's time to be productive again.
There's just a video game I have to play.
Okay, so
is this like adult TikTok, YouTube?
I think that YouTube is adult TikTok.
Should we dance?
How do they do it?
No.
What do they do?
You suck. You don't even know how they do it.
What's the savage dance? Oh my god. What do they do?
Yeah.
Is that what they do?
What do you want me to do?
Okay, so you're making the fried rice, because you can't see our faces at all. And everybody wants to be looked at from an upper angle, right? Okay, so I think inside the dumplings I'm gonna make tofu. I don't have green onions, so I'm just gonna make it with red onion. And then tomato and carrot.
He sent me this one, he's like, dude, do people actually listen to this?
What's that? But I don't think that like all the music on TikTok, like I don't think that's like me, like as far as I understand, that's not like the music that people always listen to. Like I think that like what happens is one person makes a video and then they do like a dance or whatever, and or like that's the like official
no,
sound.
I get you.
Yeah.
I get you.
And then it becomes a trend.
There's dance to it.
And then everyone does the same dance.
It's really weird that everyone just does the same thing on TikTok. There's like there's not really too many people like creating new shit. It's like,
yeah, because there's like certain creators that are like the popular ones, and then they do the thing.
And so they just have a bunch of people that just do exactly what they do until they do a new thing?
I think they do their own stuff. Just once in a while you do the trend so you get eyes on your account.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't really understand the TikTok algorithms.
Old.
This is like the most boomer conversation.